Good morning, people. Welcome back to the channel. I'll be doing a quick unboxing of this Qianli Ipinch. Basically, it's a PCB holder. So unpack this. Bought this from Phone Fun Shop in Sheffield via eBay. Okay, that's that. Right, let's see what it weighs. Feels a bit heavy and rigid. It's got nice grip at the back, so when you're working on, when this is put on surface, it's not going to slip around basically, so that's been thought of. It weighs nearly 398 gram. That's quite a bit, that. Okay, let's put this away. Let's get a tape measure and see what the if I have one. Okay, the width of the item is say about 80, roughly about 80 millimeter, which is 8 centimeter, and the height is about 30 millimeter, which is about 3 centimeter. Okay, now these are relevant. Okay, the main function is this bit here. I was under the understanding that this would actually, while it's on the bench, it would rotate 360 degree, but sadly that's been proven wrong. It's a very smooth action, as you sort of see. So that's cool. Okay, and I've got a iPad 7th generation motherboard that's messed up. Let's put that on there. Okay. It's apparently some sort of a stone, some type of a stone, very specific stone basically. Let me just see if I've got that information here. I'll go into the purchase details and the description of the item. Let's have a look. Flipping it, eBay and right, here we are. Let's go. Okay, so it says 360 degree controllable turn. That doesn't make any fucking sense, right? Okay, look at this. So 360 degree turnable turntable, real synthetic stone. That's what I was on about. Compatible with chips and motherboards, blah blah blah. Width less than 54 millimeter, so say about 5 centimeter. And that's the dimension of the whatever it is, right? Heat resistant. Okay, but this is what I was more convinced with. But 360 degree controllable turnable, right? That does the right. I think what they're referring to, the idiots basically, not Phone Fun Shop, the idiots that the manufacturer is this basically. They're talking about this 360 degree turnable thing. So this is what they're talking about, not the fact that the device turns itself. Now ideally just pretend that you're under a microscope. This has been, you've tightened this up, and what you're trying to do now is you want to switch, and if this turned under microscope, you just want to work on various angles, you want to inspect various angles. Things would have been a lot nicer if this was actually a 360 degree turnable thing basically, but sadly not. So what do I think? It's okay. How much have I paid? I paid about £30. That's including shipping from Phone Fun Shop in Sheffield. Those guys are absolutely cracking, very helpful, very generous. Especially the owner, very nice man. So thumbs up for them guys for sending it out. I've also bought this off them, which is an essential tool for working on PCBs, removing underfills and things like that. So that's I'm not going to bother unboxing that. It's just there's various blades here, various types, and then you've got the handle here. And that's as far as it goes. But other than that, what would I rate this out of 5? I would say about 3.5. 3.5. I wouldn't rate it as a top class product basically. It would have been absolutely awesome if you had a rotating base basically, a 360 degree rotating base. That would have been absolutely amazing. But other than that, yeah, I would probably say about 3.5. That's what I would give. that's all, guys. Look after yourself, and I will catch up with you on some of the repairs. I am busy, and it's just sometimes it's really difficult to sort of crack on with work and do the recording. This is something very straightforward, simple. Get it done, get it out, and I've got free couple of hours free, so I'd do that. But in the meantime, I am working. So, for example, there you go. All right. So I've been running ASD on this MacBook, which I repaired yesterday, and it's passed. So that's a MacBook 2011 unibody MacBook Pro. I think it is. I think it is MacBook Pro. A1278, something like that. I'll get you the exact model. No, yep, A1278. It's a 13-inch MacBook Pro. So, yep, anyway, that's all. I'll stop waffling. Look after yourself, stay well, stay safe, and I'll catch up with you in the next video. Bye for now.